Jackson Evelyn, the Beauty Food Chick. Barbecue and family time sounds like a wonderful combination. Barbecue is a great way to enjoy delicious food while spending quality time with your loved ones. There are a lot of things you should do. Plan ahead, get a location, have a menu set out, and plan in advance. Get everyone in the family involved. Yes, create your atmosphere to be cozy. Disconnect technology and capture the memories. So, here I am getting my nieces involved. I'm teaching them the best way to grill. You shouldn't ever grill with fire. Your meat is going to burn and not cook. So, I also taught them how to record. Let's see what Z-Chat did. Z-Chat did a good job. I gave her a hug and then we took a selfie. Let's see the video. This is what Z-Chat recorded for us. And it was so beautiful. So like I was saying, what you should do at a barbecue, family barbecue, plan ahead, right? So what's the date? What's the weather like? When you are barbecuing, make sure not to have fire. Like I said, it will burn. Asham is my little niece that recorded this one. I kind of like this quality better than every other quality of the video. But hey, everyone came true for me and I really was happy about that. So I said plan ahead, right? Get a location. Most times your backyards are the perfect spots. If you don't have a beautiful backyard, you can go to the park or designated barbecue spots. So we had a lot to eat at this barbecue. Basically, the classic options for menu for barbecue is burgers, hot dogs, chicken, vegetables, ribs. But in all your planning, be mindful of family members with dietary restrictions. Put them into consideration. Like I said, when you have fire on your barbecue, just know that it is not cooking, it is burning. So that's just me using water to reduce the fire, if not even put out the fire completely. So plan ahead. You should be able to marinate your meat, chop your vegetables and your side dishes, your salads, so that you spend more time with family during the barbecue. Get everyone involved, just like I am doing with Asham here in this video. I am showing her how to braise the sausages. Oh my goodness, we had a really good time. So you basically want to assign tasks to family members, tasks like grilling, setting tables, or prepping your side dishes. Collaborations will be a great way to create lasting memories. Do not forget that. And Grandma Susie was here to spend some moments with us. We were just talking about plants and all of that. Then we went back to our barbecue. Create cozy environments. Make sure you have chairs, tables, music, and above all, disconnect technology. Engage in conversations. Play games that will make you to connect truly. See, everybody's involved in my family. Capture the memories, take photos or videos. These moments will be cherished forever and ever. Now, remember, the most important part of barbecue and family time is to relax, have fun, cherish the moments with loved ones, enjoy the delicious food, laughter, and quality time.
No, right in the pot. In the pot.
Okay.
Let's just the food inside the pot.
Please. Hold on.
Good job.
More water?
No, the water is actually too much. I didn't notice. Because I was coordinating the phone, that's all. That's all, Auntie. Linda wanted to be in it, so.
Hi. I hope you're getting my cute side.
Mommy.
Oh, what are you doing there, Mommy?
Thank you so much, guys. Look at the array of our table. Please like this video, leave me a comment or two. Let me know what you thought about this content. Today is my vlog live day 6. I hope you enjoyed it. If you are a returning subscriber, thank you so much. If you haven't subscribed and you're watching this, you want to consider subscribing for more content like this or many more. God bless you. I love you. I honestly do, and I appreciate you. Alrighty, guys, I am out of here. Bye! Mwah! I love you.